Are you ready to fuel your body with some delicious high-protein recipes? Let's dive right in. First, whip up a protein-packed breakfast scramble with eggs, spinach, bell peppers, and chicken, over 30 grams of protein to kickstart your day. Craving something sweet? Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries and granola for a parfait that's perfect on the go, packing about 20 grams of protein. For lunch, enjoy a grilled chicken salad topped with cherry tomatoes and cucumbers. This beauty has over 35 grams of protein. Need a snack? Try tuna stuffed avocado, mixing tuna with Greek yogurt and lemon for a tasty treat with 25 grams of protein. Dinner is a breeze with turkey lettuce wraps, seasoned ground turkey wrapped in crisp lettuce, delivering around 40 grams of protein. And for dessert, indulge in a chocolate protein mug cake. Just a scoop of protein powder, almond flour, and a quick microwave, and you've got a warm treat with 20 grams of protein. Which one will you make first?